Honest review sa Lubok River Cruise in Bohol? Let's go! As someone the first time mag Bohol, I was really looking forward to the Lubok River Cruise kasi sa postcards or textbooks ko lang to nakikita before. Apparently, may dalawa palang floating restaurants in Bohol. The one in Lubok, yung super sikat talaga, and the one in Luwai, aka the Rio Verde Floating Resto. So, nung tinanong namin yung driver namin kung alin yung mas maganda, nirecommend niya yung pangalawa, the Rio Verde Floating Resto, kasi mas maganda raw ang view, and true enough, the view did not disappoint. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang relaxing. Bonus pa yung live music and yung stop sa Ati Tribe Village for a quick cultural experience. Pero ito na nga, the food, honestly, medyo disappointing. Buffet siya, kasama na dun sa 950 na entrance fee, pero basic lang ang choices at kulang talaga siya sa wow factor for me. I was really excited sa crabs kasi nung nakita ko yung crabs, I was like, target locked. Pero nung kinain ko na, girl, it's not fresh. It's not giving. Sayang kasi ang ganda na sana ng setting. Pero overall, it's still worth trying for the experience. Kung gusto mo ng chill cruise with great views and entertainment, go for it. Just manage your expectations sa food.
Picture ba? Lagi sa mga kabasa ako. Priya.
Bisag asa, picture jud.
Picture.
Nadawat ang view.
Tama ba lang, may tanong mo, may mong bato ba?
Mangiti ra ba na, mangiti.
Ilong guys.